What is up everyone, Jflores here, and for today's episode we're gonna make some French toast two ways, so watch till the end. First, let's make our batter. Crack in the eggs to a bowl, then mix with evaporated milk, season with salt and vanilla extract. Next, for our homemade sauce, simply mix some cream, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. Yes, it is that simple, and you can call it homemade because you made it at home. Let's assemble our chocolate-filled mini French toast first. Just place the chocolates into the corners of the bread, cover with another slice of bread, then cut into 4. Also make sure to seal the sides of the bread. And remind me to remove my head on the next episode. Well, not remove my head from the frame the next episode. Time for cooking. Heat up some butter into your pan, then simply dredge our bread to our batter, then cook for about 2 minutes on each side. Yes, I just said batter, so shall batter. Let's start with the plain one. Just go along with what I'm doing here. Flip them carefully, then continue cooking the other side for about 2 minutes. Carefully, not like what I just did there. This is good to go. Remove from the pan and let's cook those chocolate-filled mini French toast. That sounds so delicious. Just repeat the process of how we've cooked the plain French toast. Just repeat kung ano yung ginawa natin sa plain na French toast. These are all done. Remove from the pan, then let's plate this up. Kainan na! Simply slice the French toast up, then transfer it to a plate. Favorite plate. And sorry again for my annoying head. That's in the frame. Failed camera placement. Just top it off with our homemade sauce and French toast 2 ways. Done. Never forget to subscribe, hit that bell, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, like on YouTube, not Facebook. Bye-bye.